Hey everybody, these are the Beats Studio Pro Premium over-ear headphones, okay? These belong to my daughter. She is a very active young lady. There's some of her hair in there. She's a dancer. She works out all the time. She goes jogging. She's on her, college dance team, just working out. She's a fitness freak. And she loves these. She wears them all the time, okay? So if you are a very active person, if you have the other type of headphones, all the different types that fit in your ears and they fall out so easily. She was looking for something that she didn't have to worry about. She loves these things. She wears them all the time. Let's look at some of the top questions about these, all right? So people ask, how long is the battery life? Up to 40 hours total battery life. Or up to 24 hours with the transparency mode enabled. A 10-minute fast fuel charge provides up to 4 hours of additional playback. Is the noise cancellation effective? The answer would be yes. Customers are consistently reporting active noise cancellation is excellent. Okay. Are they comfortable to wear for a long time? Most customers say they are very comfortable to wear for a long time with the upgraded ultra plush over the ear cushions. Very squishy right here, very comfortable in my hands, so I can see how for sure. Yes, very comfortable. All right. How about the sound quality? Most all customers are praising the sound quality. My daughter loves them. She says they're great, so everybody's got good things to say about the sound quality and durability. Very durable. Like I said, her running around, she throws them around. She's very aggressive with her things that she has. If you were looking for some over-the-ear headphones that can handle all your workouts, while you're running around, working out, running around the yard, whatever you're doing, you may want to take a look at these. My very active college-age daughter really loves these. All right, so maybe these will work for you.